So I got me a little seat here to work on the car when I'm working on the car, and so I'm gonna do a little unboxing of it. And I also got this a couple weeks ago too. Little heater for out here in the garage. It's really nice to have that thing that runs on kerosene or diesel, but I just use kerosene. So anyway, we're gonna do a little unboxing of this Craftsman little seat. So we're gonna open up this box here. This Craftsman seat I got. We're working out here in the garage on car or whatever, lawnmower there, whatever I work on. I need a little bench to sit on. Got a little place in the bottom to store stuff. So let's see what we can do here. Hang upside down. All right. Get this out the way. Let me get this stuff out of this plastic. All right, there's the seat. Here's the base part. The cylinder. It goes like that. So I'll have to put this on. It's sort of like a boat seat kind of thing I've seen before. I need to cut that. There we are. Alright, I don't see any bolts. Oh, there they are. Screws. There's a screwdriver here. Put that so I'm back here. Get these screws out here and mount that base on here. So I guess if it's there, probably want it off to the right side, so something like that. Might be right. Check it out, see? Always spin it if it ain't right. I don't like which way it is. There's 4 different ways you can put it, so. Just leave it. That ain't right. There. All right, so we'll have to see how that does in the floor. There it is, Craftsman. Nice little seat there. So we'll see. All right, so here it is, the Craftsman little seat. Work on the car. Take the tires off, doing whatever. Work on the tractor, whatever I need to work on. It's got a little strut on it that goes down about that low. And you can get up, come up to, so it goes about 6 inches, I guess. So it's pretty nice. It's comfortable. It's got a little tray in the bottom. I like it. Craftsman.